Okay, I'm just going to take these things out and set them on one side. So I get mixed up now. Let's take this one out. Screws. Put there. I'm going to remove this fascia here now. Disconnect the hazard button power. And the icon button. Done. Now, I'll get my socket set. All you pretty much need with the socket set is this 40-piece socket set. That's all you need. Alright, so I'm going to take the right bits and pieces out that I need. This is out, so so that would have been a 10 mil. Remember these, when you take these out, it can be a bit fiddly. You've got the contact of the rubber, something sticky inside the socket set, you can grab it easily. So this car, as I explained, is a Toyota Hilux Workmate 2011. So the reason we're taking this radio out is because the Bluetooth, I'm having trouble with my phone on the Bluetooth here, so I decided to buy a brand new radio. Okay, so we're just going to take this out, and as you can see, I'm going to need a set of Allen keys, as you can see on here. Up down there to remove fascia, and I've got some cables at the back which I'm going to have to remove as well. So one by one to take the radio out. yeah, I might just stop it there and get some water because the weather's over here in Australia is a bit hot. Stop, Jay.